Chris, it's been 6 months since you moved into this wonderful facility in Warwickshire. Now, Sodick Europe, a lot of people will know you for your EDM machines, machining centres, now mould and die, but there's one key element missing, isn't there, that we're showing today, and it's the assembly side. Tell me a little bit about what you're doing here and why it's so important.
So the machines you see behind us here, we've got 7 machines that are going into a, let's say, blue chip aerospace company. They've all been bought as a big order from us. The factory has been incredibly supportive and made some modifications factory side. There's still some additional modifications that need to be done. We're very blessed here that we have a very skilled team of applications and service engineers, so we can do a lot of the work in doing the final modifications ourselves before they get shipped to their final facility at the aerospace company. So, yeah.
Does that actually cater for the rest of Europe? So any machines in your portfolio, can they be placed here and be bespokely set up for the customer?
Yeah, modified. Yeah, I think that's another kind of string to the bow with the new facility here in Warwick. We've got lots of space. We are the headquarters for Europe here, so yeah, anything that needs doing throughout Europe, obviously I take care of the UK side, but anything that needs doing for Europe can be done here as well.
Now, we saw all the extent of the portfolio, not just at EMO this year, but obviously your showroom is showing the extent of what you have. Do you think the assembly side will be something which will become a bigger part of Sodi-tech and Sodick Europe?
Possibly. It's just nice to be able to have the ability to do it should customers need something that's a little bit non-standard. I mean, in this particular case, the customer wanted a machine that could do a particular application that wasn't standard, so we've just had to, extend the capacity of the machine in order that they can do it. I wouldn't say it's necessarily going to be common, because a lot of people, Sodick obviously make machines, to standard specifications, so they can suit a lot of what's needed out there in industry. But if it needs to be amended, then we can do it here.
Also, I think what it shows, Chris, is that the UK market is very busy. I mean, you've got 8 machines here. One's already, in that bespoke customer. But is business good in the UK?
Absolutely, yeah. I think Sodick, we cater to the higher end market now, and certainly in that aerospace and medical, maybe oil and gas, and certainly maybe the subcontract, high-end subcontract markets. It is buoyant at the minute. There's a lot of scare stories out there. Obviously, there's the Brexit word, which nobody likes to mention, and there's talk of recessions and what have you going forward, but we're not seeing it. So we're very keen just to keep plodding away and keep those high-end customers happy and just keep going as best we can.
Well, and I think it just shows the extent of Sodick Europe. You're really putting a lot of money into this facility in a area where we don't really know the outcome. But obviously, business is good, great portfolio, and now you've got the assembly side. Any messages for potential customers?
Yeah, come and see us. We're here, we're open. We've got a huge, big showroom now, demonstrating, as you say, a brand new portfolio. So we're obviously, very well known for our EDM, wire EDM, and die sink and hole drill. We're now doing high-speed machining centres, and we've got the high-performance injection moulding machines as well as the OPM machines. So there's lots here to come and see. Come and have a look at us and see how capable we are of supporting you. You'll see Japanese engineers walking around as well as UK engineers, and it's here just to show the full support of Sodick in Europe.